We got the sage. We're in the new place. I'm choking on the
Sage though.
Yeah.
We could have just burned it on the stove. I think I might be better off burning it on the stove.
I actually have a gas stove, so that's cool. I had one at my last place too. I left our cup that we were gonna ash in the car.
Oh, can I ash in the cap of this?
No, you could ash in the sink. Is that bad?
No.
Can I do it? Wait, what if we set the fire alarm off? Should we open a window?
All the evil spirits, be gone.
Oh my god. I'm choking on the
Sage though.
Yeah.
I feel like they're going what?
Wait, get in here just in case there's any like evil energy in my cabinets and stuff and underneath my sinks.
Playing Ghostbusters right now.
I know, but I don't like bad energy, you know? Only my favorite energy. Gotta save the window in case like
I feel like you're dancing.
I know, I feel like dancing too. All of the living room.
Just gotta spin around the sage. She leaders evil around.
My Marco Beston.
This is gonna be a cool shot.
My Marco Beston. Dude, I'm getting dizzy. Okay, I gotta stay in my closet. My other closet. No, but I heard like the ghosts were leaving. The place has been saged. Now it's time to move my stuff in. Okay, so I brought all my stuff in here, put half my hangers there, and then here's all of my, or like most of my clothes and bags. I don't have time to put them away right now because we're having a little going away party. So I'm just gonna drop off the rest of the boxes and then we're gonna go get pizza for the party and clean up a bit. Okay, so it's a bit later. I just put on mascara and some lipstick and I cleaned up the house in my kitty litter, ew. And I'm about to go pick up some party supplies like pizza and cups. I'm about to have a small little moving out party and I changed my outfit. It's not the best pair, but I'm wearing this shirt from Fashion Nova. I think it would be better with a tan. And I have on this skirt from Urban, and then I have on these boots from Ego Official. Here's what we have left in my room. It looks like a lot, but it's a lot less than before. And all the drawers are empty, so we have that going for us. So I'm gonna go get the stuff. We're at the supermarket. Got some, oh my god. I just walked into something. Got some snacks. Got some lemonade. Got some drinks.
Got some juices.
Got some juices. We need cups. That's what we need. Cups this way. Blue cups. Hey guys, it's the next day. I totally forgot to vlog the party last night, but it was just like a chill pizza party. We didn't really like do too much. Sorry about that. But anyway, I'm at the new place. I brought over more stuff and my bed came and my chairs for my little table area, eating area. We brought more boxes. We brought more boxes and stuff over. And my closet is like full of things and I emptied out these bags so I could take them to fill some more stuff. And I put all the clothes like this. I didn't even like organize it. I'm gonna have to spend so much time organizing my closet and my clothes and just like getting rid of stuff. And I just realized something really, really nice that I'm like high-key excited about. Even though like this is the daylighting in my bedroom and it's not that like bright, it's okay because I'm just like, if I film I can just use my lights. And also my sitting area gets way more light, so I'll show you that. But right outside my bedroom window is a Zen garden. Like what? Like I could do yoga in here and open the window and listen to the Zen garden, or I could just like take my mat outside and do yoga out there. Like that is so nice. Like I could do yoga on my patio. Okay, let's go see. Let me show you the lighting in here. The lighting in here isn't like the best lighting ever, but it's not that bad. I mean, the kitchen area is a little dark, but there's dark appliances, so that's understandable. But like this area where I'm gonna have like my filming studio for the most part, where my backdrop's gonna be, will be pretty nicely lit. And I always use lights like these anyway, so it's not gonna be that big of a deal. And when I move around the house, because I want to film in like every location, I want to make this super cute and filmable. Like that is like my dream, my goal right now with this place. So yeah, I'm gonna film everywhere, not just the backdrop. Like sometimes we'll use the backdrop, but we're definitely gonna use like my room and the sitting area, which I'll show you. You've seen this yesterday, but like this gets the most light during the day. Oh, is it focused? Yeah. It gets the most light during the day. This is gonna be like my chill room where if I wanna just like sit on the couch and edit, I can do that. Or if I wanna like record like a voiceover in here, just random stuff like that. This is gonna be the room for that. Also, I think it'll be cute to just like film on the couch sometimes. I'm so excited. There's so many places I can film in here. Like, this is gonna be really great. It's so nice and bright out on this patio. I'm gonna put plants out here. Here, it's gonna be super zen next to our zen garden over yonder. I don't know if you can see through this bamboo. But yeah, I'm super excited about this space, this place. I feel like it's gonna be really great for me to focus. Because I mean, I do love having roommates and it's super fun to have roommates, but I think it's gonna be really great for me to just have like my own space that I like make look however I want it to look, and yeah, just do my thing in peace with my cat and keep it super clean. Like, I feel like it's gonna be so motivating for me to create more projects. I'm near plant life, I have zenness. Oh my god, I'm so weird. But the energy, like, I mean, I know we saged yesterday, but like the energy feels really good in here, and I'm excited to be like super focused and get my stuff done because y'all know I haven't been getting it done. So yeah, I will. I'm doing it here. Okay, I'm gonna go pack up more stuff now. Okay, so I stuffed the car. Oh my god. Okay, so I stuffed the car up again. And now we're heading to Veggie Grill because it's almost 3 actually. It's 2:49 and I haven't had lunch yet. And Roland, you haven't had, have you had breakfast even?
Oh yeah, I had breakfast.
Okay. So we're pretty hungry. We're gonna go eat. Peace. I really did not think when I ordered because I had falafel yesterday, but this looks good. I got a strawberry lemonade. Rolly, what'd you get?
I got the usual.
In his bag? Well, they don't know your usual.
The Santa Fe crispy chicken with the sweet hard fries.
And then we also got some chill out wings and some green bean stacks, which I'll show later. We're outside of Target right now. We're about to go in and pick up some supplies, but you know, we just decided to sit in the car for a little bit, look at the Grammys, pictures of people in their little Grammys outfits because it's Grammys Day. Roland, do you feel like you'll be there next year?
Yeah, definitely. Cardi B, I'm acting different.
She looks good. She looks
That's
real
a really
good.
cool dress.
Yeah, it's really cool. Like fashion on fleek right there.
Jaden Smith.
Oh my god. Aww.
Yeah, what's her name? Jaden Smith's outfit is dope.
His outfit's so cool.
Yeah, his outfit is actually really sick.
Should we show them?
Sire.
Sire. That's dope. Would you show up to the Grammys looking that dope?
Yeah, it's nice. These outfits have been the best outfits like I've seen at any award show.
Tyler's outfit right now. That's awesome. I mean, like,
nobody does anything different at these award shows. It's always like the classic, like.
No, but like Jaden and Tyler showed up, like.
And Uzi.
And Uzi. And Cardi B, her outfit. Show Cardi B's outfit. That is so cute.
Kendrick Lamar wins Best Rap Song, Best Rap Performance, and Best Music Video for the Grammys.
No way. Will Smith wore Phillies gear to the Grammys, repping Philadelphia.
Back in '98.
That is so cool. Future Julia here with a cute little freaking filter. I forgot to end the vlog, so I'm gonna end it right now. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, comment below, and give this video a big thumbs up. I love you. Oh, and if you missed my previous video, you can click it at the end. Heart, bye.